fulfillment in a Christian life comes when you begin to live your life for others. Just as the Bible says in Matthew 25 and verse 31 that Jesus began to separate the sheep and the goat, and for those that were the sheep are those, he said, provided clothing for those that did not have, provided food for those that did not have, provided water to drink for those that did not have. And I believe that Shaping Destiny is simply fulfilling that, and this is something that is recorded both here on earth and in. I want to encourage everyone watching this program today that not only discover your own vision and your calling when you get involved in doing or helping some other person's calling. If you think of Joseph in the Bible says he had a vision, he had a dream of what he was going to become in life. But it was only until he began to interpret and help Pharaoh in his own dream that his own dream became fulfilled. So I want to challenge everyone watching this program out there that as you step out and begin to help to fulfill or to help Kenneth and Shaping Destiny to fulfill what God has given them, you will also end up, fulfilling your own dream. Just like Joseph could only fulfill his dream as becoming a king only when he interpreted the dream of Pharaoh. So I challenge every one of us out there that step out in faith and sponsor a child. I think more than one kid is quite a reasonable amount. It's something that every one of us can afford being in America. I believe that if you step out in faith to sow into Shaping Destiny ministry, the Lord is also going to direct you and come through for you in your own ministry.